Vijayawada, one of the frontline cities in Andhra Pradesh, is credited with gorgeous history. It is a gigantic trade center and a very big railway junction. Vijayawada is the biggest transport hub in entire Asia. 32 kilometers away from Vijayawada, at Ampapuram village, Bapulapadu Mandal, between Telaprolu and Bandaragudem, with the financial assistance of 5.5 crores granted by Central Ministry of Shipping and Road Transport, Krishna District Lorry Owners Association has established a model driving training institute and research center in an area of 20 acres. Former Chief Minister Dr. Y.S. Rajashekhar Reddy and Central Minister Shri Y. Muniyappa inaugurated the center on August 27, 2005.
Every year, nearly 1 lakh people are dying in road accidents. There are various reasons. Mainly to speak, the amateur drivers without having proper knowledge on road rules and on vehicles and are the causes for such accidents. Moreover, drivers consuming alcohol before driving, overloading the vehicle and driving the vehicles without proper sleep are also the causes for such accidents. There are so many reasons for road accidents. Crossing the railway level without any knowledge about it, crossing the signals at junctions without knowing the rules and regulations of the traffic rules give rise to many road mishaps. The outcome of such accidents leave the victims handicapped and their family and children deserted. It is the duty of every citizen to stop from such devastating conditions. The main motto of this Krishna District Lorry Owners Association has established Model Driving Training Institute and Research Center is making its efforts to prevent road accidents and mishaps.
The Krishna District Lorry Owners Association, as an NGO, received 4 crores of rupees as grant from the central government and procured the rest of the amount, 1.5 crores, from its members to construct the MDTIRC. That is how today the majestic Model Driving Training and Research Center stands with all facilities, with a capacity of accommodating 500 trainees at a time. This is named as Model Driving Training Institute and Research Center and is the biggest and the best among all driving and training schools in India. Recent surveys state that more than 87% of the road accidents occur due to the recklessness on the part of the drivers. So by imparting proper and adequate training to drivers, we can effectively curb on road accidents.
Because of the trained drivers, we can avoid the road accidents. The main motto behind the establishment of this institution is the welfare of the people by providing skillful and secure drivers without expecting benefits from this service and without selfish perspectives. A strong commitment and responsibility of this institution is producing secure drivers to the society.
The MDTIRC is the only training institute which lessens fee by 50% and offers facilities of food and stay to candidates while imparting top quality expertise and discipline to the drivers. Opting for obtaining training in driving heavy vehicles and other ones. It is also providing technical training to its trainee drivers and providing information pertaining to the functioning and proper usage of diesel oil, inlets, outlets, gearbox, rear axle and front move axle. In addition to this, it also educates trainees on problem-solving methods. Exclusive training is given here on practical grounds where the trainee learns how to attach and detach various parts of the vehicle and also gains experience by practicing the same process on his own. Before a driver takes the road with the steering wheel on hand, they should be educated on all the traffic rules. We can indeed understand how useful the traffic theory classes are on observing the participants of the training program conducted by the institute. The overall knowledge of road markings, road signs, all mandatory, cautionary, informatory signs, traffic signals and lights is also given to the trainee drivers. Hand signaling is made a practical exercise to the trainee. The government sends to this institute heavy vehicle drivers allocated for driving hazardous vehicles for a specific 3-day training program. They are even trained to extinguish fire caught by the vehicles during different accidents. For mental relaxation, the trainees here take yoga and meditation classes too. The trainees are educated on the risks of catching STDs, HIV, AIDS, and other chronic diseases, are taught about precautionary and preventive measures. Practical classes on the functions of heavy vehicle open chassis are taken for the trainees in workshops. This is the only institute wherein master and trainee jury training system. Training is given to the trainees by showing the control on steering. The test track is arranged at international standards and training is given in auto track, car track, S track, Y track, two-wheeler track, four-way track with divider, four-way track without divider, six-way track with signal facility, right hairpin bend, left hairpin bend, hump, dip, parallel parking, perpendicular parking, 3-point, 5-point turn, and so on. In every track, training is given depending on the specification of the vehicle.
Sri Krishna District Lorry Owners Association had given training to more than 78,952 drivers who are made best in various categories from 1993. The heavy vehicle drivers are given training with the intention to bring an awareness in them about the changing time, changing models of the vehicles, changing roads and national highways. Our institution is a unique motor driving institution with the financial assistance from the Government of India, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, New Delhi. For heavy vehicle drivers from 1998 till now, the refreshment program conducted by this institution had given training to 56,460 drivers.
An opportunity is also given to the drivers who are already in road transport profession to participate in this refreshment program conducted by MDTIRC. Western Tracks Limited, Hyderabad. Drivers who want to work internationally. According to MOU, 200 heavy vehicle drivers are trained by Overseas Manpower Company Limited, Andhra Pradesh for 4 months. Rajiv Ujjogastri of Government of Andhra Pradesh. As a part of the scheme, 2,159 drivers are given training in heavy vehicle driving. This is the only institute which was recognized by Regional Employment Officer Vijayawada to impart training to drivers in various disciplines. The Krishna District Lorry Owners Association Vijayawada is the recipient of the prestigious National Award for Road Safety Measures and Services for the years 2001 and 2002. This award was given away in 2003 by Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, New Delhi. It also won International Road Safety Award in the year 2003. In India, Krishna District Lorry Owners Association is the first one to get ISO 9001-2000 certified association.
Model Driving Training Institute took up the responsibility to give responsible and disciplined drivers to the society as a part of its services. It concentrates on safety driving measures, on how to concentrate on driving, how to use the diesel oil economically, and also on how to minimize the death rate in road accidents. This type of training also focuses on conservation of oil and national laws, not getting compromised on any aspects. This institution inclines upon bringing out the best drivers for the society. For further inquiries or information, feel free to contact us to our driving school address in the website or District Lorry Owners Association address or phone numbers.
The Krishna District Lorry Owners Association assures that it will extend cooperation to minimize the death rate in road accidents. The motto of Model Driving Training Institute and Research Center is to produce trained and safety driving drivers through training programs.